Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS Outline Shorthand property. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS Outline Shorthand property for style, color, and size in another way. Back to our document. This is what we have in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS Outline Shorthand property in some ways and some ways we can use it. And right now, this is the code, as you can see. But right now what I want to do is that I want to specify the CSS Outline Shorthand property in another way, but I want to use it with this h1 element so you can see how it works also. So I'm going to select my h1 element. When I select my h1 element, I'm going to give it some value and I'm going to give it outline shorthand property, and I'm going to give it color. I will not give it any color yet, but I'm going to give it the style. The style I want to use is rich. Then I can give it size. The size is now going to be medium. You are going to see the reason why I'm using this. The size I'm trying to use is the medium. Then I'm going to give it color. Let me give it color red or green. Let me give it color green. Now, can you see what I'm talking about? This is another way you can specify it. Can you see when we have our style, we have our medium. This is another way of specifying the size. In our previous tutorial, we have discussed about this. So this is the reason why I am doing this tutorial particularly. This is because of this type of sizing of the outline property. So let me save my document and see how it goes. When I reload, can you see our top 10 strength element right here is having what? It's having this outline of green color and it's looking nice. The medium size, I can change it to thick. When I change it to thick, the thick is going to increase. Can you see? Is around this thickness is around 5 pixels. In our previous tutorial, we have discussed about it. When you use 10, you can now use 10 here. When you use 10, the 10 value is around 1 pixel. As you can see, can you imagine how this is looking now? So when you can use what? The 10 and the medium. The medium is around 3 pixel, 3 px by default, as you can see. So anytime you want to use it, you can use it in that dimension also, and it's going to work for you. And if you don't want to use this kind of value there, you can now use, maybe you can use your value by like this, using the pixel by itself. When I reload, you're going to see it's still working. We can use the px, which is the pixel. I can even increase it to 12 pixel. When I increase it to reach 12 pixel, you're going to see how it's going to look also. When I increase it now, can you see how it's looking? So you can do this in anywhere you want, anyhow you want to do it, and it's going to give you something nice. So that's the reason why I'm here today. Make sure that you practice this, because practice makes perfect. I don't want you guys to think I'm hiding anything for you guys. That's why I'm doing it this manner. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day.